Joanne with Joanne's Food Bites. I was craving some breakfast hash. So I kind of wanted to show you how I'm going to put this together with simple leftovers. I love hash. Anything that has potatoes, eggs, and a meat, it's good in my book. So what I've done is I sprinkled just probably about a teaspoon of olive oil in this pan. I took a leftover baked potato. It's only half. Obviously it was already cooked, and we're just going to try to get some crispiness on our potato. Okay, you can see our potatoes are getting some crispiness to the outside there. One thing I did not mention earlier is make sure your pan is hot before you put those in. As soon as you put in the potatoes, you should hear it go shh. You should hear that sizzle. If not, the oil's just going to go up into the potato and they're going to be soggy and nasty. You don't want that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is drop in some kielbasa, or whatever your favorite kind of meat is. I've put it up into little bite-sized chunks. Basically, we're just going to get this a little warm. I put it off to the side so I can make sure I don't disturb my potatoes that are over here getting crispy. I want to make sure they have contact with the hot pan. So this should just take maybe 2 minutes. And then we're going to be ready to add our eggs. Alright, our sauce is doing good. I've dropped in about a tablespoon of butter just to protect our pan a little bit for when we drop in our eggs. I've got 3 eggs here. I added about a tablespoon or a little bit less of whipping cream. If you don't do that to your eggs and you can stand it, you need to do it. It makes them a whole lot fluffier. Added a little bit of pepper. They're going to cook really quick because your pan should be scorching hot at this point. So we're going to just incorporate everything before the eggs get done too far. Of course, we're going to add cheese. You can add whatever cheese you like. If you do it in a little shredded or a grated texture, then it's going to incorporate a whole lot easier. Oh yeah. Great way to get rid of leftovers. You can make a vegetable hash. Love it. Alright, we're just going to keep cooking this up till you get the eggs the consistency that you like. Just don't overdo it. We'll show you what the finished product looks like. There we have it. Morning hash. Cooked in less than 5 to 7 minutes. Beautiful way to start the day.